I decided I couldn't stop for the night. I was thinking about maybe playing a game tonight, but I feel like I'm on too much of a roll. I've managed to do a lot. So I feel like I just need to keep going. So we're back working on Flickr again. So I don't entirely know what I want to do right now. I thought maybe doing a little bit of art, like doing the upstairs of the lab or something, but I'm not sure. Why is this an extra one wide? It's an extra tile, an extra tree wide on this side. That's weird. I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna shift this 2 tiles to the left. And cut that off. There we go. Now it's not weird off and off to one side. I am gonna have to fix it here though, because that's gonna be off now. Okay. Did a lot with events in the other one. Last time. I guess you could keep going with events. Doesn't hurt to do that. I don't know how to implement trainers though, so we're just gonna do regular events. I should probably build the upstairs of the lab. Okay, width is 28. That becomes 56, 62. Oops. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. Fill all of this in. Just like that. Gonna go just fill that in. Ooh, the top level is actually a little smaller. It's not quite as big, is it? Okay, just gonna paint bucket this. This time I think I'm going to kind of build up from the left side. Except I do need to make sure I grab the wall. Stick that in there like that. Okay. How is it that every single time I go live, something in PCG is about to escape? Every single time? I don't understand. Oh my god. Cursor. Please. Oops. Get rid of that. Stick that there. No, not there. Grab a window. Place windows like that. Okay, this should just be a... Nope, this is what I want. Well, that is what I want, but that's not the layer that I want it on because I forgot to switch my layers properly. That's why that looked weird. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Actually, I want this one. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay. This. If I put, ooh, this is an interesting idea actually. So if I have that there, I have these, I have all of this stuff on the wrong layer. Dang it. Yep. Okay, hold on. This. Move it to this layer. Now I can grab all of this. Put it onto this layer. Erase this layer. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, actually, hold on. Here's an interesting idea. Huh. Yeah, I actually kind of like that. That's kind of cool. I kind of like that. Hold on. Okay, if I do this, one sec. Oops. What was I trying to do? Oh, yeah, that. Okay, yeah. Straight wall over on that side is fine. Okay, so this is a 5 set here then. No, it's 2 and a... Ah, I see. I get it. That, except that I need this floor tile. And my whole kitchenette is out of whack. I don't have a piece that curves around the corner like that. Ugh. Okay. Oh, that's right. This is on a different layer. Okay. No. Yeah, let's do... Oh, no, 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 no. Let's do that. What? No. No, no, no. There we go. Okay. Ooh, Eldegoss. Do I have that? I do not. Welcome back, Spudvin. Just trying to decide how I want to do this. Oh, okay, hold on. What if I put this up here? I like that. I think that's fine. Okay. Ooh. I just got an idea. That could be fun. Copy that. Put that into there. How would I do this? Self switch A. Make it so that whichever two starters, so that when Professor Balsam says a line. Actually, hold on. Because the rival also needs to choose a starter. So that's not actually gonna work. Okay, this is what I need, is the auto event. What I need is this auto event here. Variable. No, switch. House rival 2. Is on? Wait, hold on. House rival. Not the rival fight, the rival choosing the other starter. Choosing a starter. But only the rival also coming in to choose a starter, but only triggering this sequence after you've met the rival. So I just need to figure out which switch here is the correct one. Is it House Rival 1? Okay. Yes, House Rival 1 is what I need. Well, that's what I'm doing. That's what House Rival 1 and House Rival 2 are. So House Rival 1 turns on once you talk to the rival. So I had to have 2 so that when you walk back downstairs, the rival disappears. In fact, actually, hold on. This conditional branch. Should be on this door instead. Because what 2 does is 2 is on. That means that they will no longer appear here. Unless I just, like, make them walk. But this is what I can't figure out. Is, like, would it have to be a conditional... How do you determine which side the player is standing on? Like, if I'm standing here, making her walk like that. But if I'm standing here or here, then she walks like that. Because, like, if I'm standing here, then she has to walk like that to get around me, but if I'm standing here, then she can't walk like that. So how do you determine that movement? Yeah. That's true. But yeah, that's why I have the 2. Ooh. That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. That's gonna be the way to go here. That's definitely gonna be the way to go. So then I don't... In that case... I don't need this at all. I only need House Rival 1. House Rival 2 I can delete. I can just rename this Rival Met. Okay. Okay. And how... Wait, okay. Then I need to check this guy. Starter choice is 0 or above. Starter choice is 0. Starter choice is 1 or above. Okay. I don't want to auto run this. I actually switch. Rival Met is on. If Rival Met is on, then I auto run this. What do I want to say here? Hello, hi player, glad you could make it. Welcome to Camuse. I am glad to have the honor of giving you your first Pokemon here in Camuse. Take your pick. that's temporary text, which is fine for now. And now comes the tricky part. Which rival? Okay, female is 0, male is 1. That's what I thought. Okay, this is the auto run. Oh, I should be... Delete that. How do I get this? This? Yeah, okay. That's what that changes. Okay, just gonna delete all of those for now. I'm gonna have a lot of event pages here, aren't I? Brain, Charmander. Actually, I don't need a lot of pages here. Move. Set move route. insert move route for player. Oh, this is gonna have to... Okay. I need a conditional here first, actually. Which is page 1. Conditional branch. Variable starter choice is equal to 1. Do that. Is there a... Hey, Swunfin, do you know if there's a way to do, like, more than 2? Like, to have an if-else, if-else? Or is it just... Not nesting, but, like, this would be, like, an if-else. If there were a way to do, like, an if-else, if-else. Know what I mean? To have a 3-way conditional. Trying to get her to have a different pathing. Or to do something different based on which starter you choose. Because this seems like pretty simplistic conditionals. I can't do a whole lot. Yeah. Actually, hold on. I want to do just this. Then I just had it somewhere. Where is it? Set move route. One step forward. Oh, actually, hold on. Before I get too far into it, I'm gonna need multiple event pages here. Why are there two different ones for that? Huh? Okay, whatever. Oop, that was the right one I clicked on first. This needs to be auto run. This needs to be action button. Okay, here, set move route, one step forward, turn up, one step forward, oops, show text, I choose, no, because Bulbasaur's going to be on the left, Charmander is going to be in the middle, so I need to edit this, because I need 2 steps forward. And actually, if I nest this within the else, then I only need to do 2. Started choice equal to 2. You chose Charmander. Oh, this actually isn't gonna work. This route does not work. Because if the player is here, she's gonna have to come down and around. So move down. move, right, right, up, and up. Hold on. Yep, I got it figured out, but I forgot one thing. Which is that this needs to be here instead. Because no. Not variable, was it a switch? Yes, 76. Rival met. Has to be on. What is this page supposed to be? Hold on. Go ahead, you pick first, then. Da-da-da-da-da-dum. I don't know what this page is supposed to be. Or those, I'll just delete those for now. Fingers crossed this works. It's taking a long time to compile Pokemon.txt now. Longer than normal. Since I edited it and added more to it. But whatever. Okay. Okay. Okay, hold on. I goofed something there. She did not disappear. And it also needs to be faded to black a little longer. Okay, something is wrong there. Oh. Okay, well that will fix that problem. Control. Self switch. A is on. Okay. Have not fixed this yet. Okay. I forgot to do that. Oh, actually, I didn't check this last time either. That has no dialogue on it right now. Why did you say great choice? You're supposed to say welcome to the lab. Oh. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna not talk to her. And if I come here... Yes. Okay. Okay, well that's still doing its weird loop thing. Livi... Uh, Liviabersk? What should I call you? I'm so happy because I'm getting these events to work and I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Livio. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, something... Oh, I know what it is. I know what's going on. Okay, so first off, I don't need that. So then I say... Hold on. Is it connected to this? Where is the... Where is that? Huh? Where is that music playing trigger? It's not programming from entirely from scratch. I mean, there is some from scratch, but I'm not doing a whole lot of that right now. This is the program. It's all just like finding stuff like this. Hey, Final. Where is that music trigger? I'm not seeing the music trigger anywhere. This should not have any text on it. I don't know why that's there. That was Pokemon? It is going very well. I am figuring out events, and it is very, very exciting. Okay, so I need to copy this event page, paste this here, then copy this, and paste that. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that yet. Do this just temporarily. I'm going to do this. Self switch A is on here. Control self switch A to on. Hit apply. And now the exciting part. The third option on the main menu. What's the third option? Is that mystery gift? Okay, hold on. Information editors, edit map connections. Right? I cannot do that because I'm inside the house. Okay, go downstairs. Talk to you so we can run now. Okay, I thought I saw something weird. I was trying to edit the map connections, but I was outside because this got shifted over. So I need to do that. There we go. But I was inside the house when I was trying to do it, so it wouldn't let me do it. I haven't thought about the in-game map yet. I'm not worried about that, and I'm not really gonna worry about it, because I don't have a good way to make the actual artwork for, like, the background. I'm just gonna wait for the video on that. But if we come down here, he should stop us, no matter what. Yeah. Okay. Then we come in here. I still need to fix the positioning of that. Okay. I'm gonna need to... Okay, I know. I got it. That's something I'm gonna need to fix, but that's fine. I haven't... This is why we playtest things. And I also have not given her new dialogue for after you've met the rival. Because here she still says that. Welcome back. So now that we've met the rival, this is where we see if everything that I was just doing works right. Yes! I need to fix that dialogue, but I do this. Why did Daisy disappear? Okay. I guess not. Hold on, since Daisy is getting one, there should only be one Pokeball over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Brian! I mean, you'll get to play it once it's done. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I couldn't charge for it. It's just a fan game using the Pokemon name. That would be very illegal to charge money for it. So that just says, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. I want another event page. We're gonna do 4 pages here. So we do this. This one is going to be self-switch A. No. This one I'll make self-switch A. This one I am going to make where is it? Object ball, there it is. This is self-switch A. Starter choice is 1 or higher. And you know what? This says Fababug. I'm just gonna switch everything back to the Kanto starters for now. Just because I don't have this stuff implemented. Why did I... In this game, it's going to be Professor Balsam. Starter choice equals 1 or above. Nice catch. Oops. And that's going to say it's Bulbasaur's Pokeball. And then this self-switch A is going to have nothing on it. Okay, that should all be correct now. Yeah. So I'm gonna paste that here. And I'm gonna paste it here. I'm not actually going to interact with these, or because they're not, because I don't have everything set up for them. I will just edit the text here, just so that it appears correct in game. Of course, these are going to eventually be the fake Mon. Oh, no, this cannot be set to starter choice. Hold on. This is gonna have to be something else. Rival name? Is there a default one for the rival starter, though? Oh, wow. Choosing starter. Okay. We're just gonna create a new variable here called rival starter. Is 1 or above. Rival starter is 1 or above. Wait, where's the, Okay, here it is. So now I do control variable, rival starter equals 2. That. This needs to say Squirtles, Pokeball. Okay. Self-switch. A is on, meaning she's just gonna disappear, so we gotta fix that. Let's see, Pokemon Trainer. I think I've missed 1 or 2 things, but a lot of this should work now. Waiting for everything to compile. And let's see what we've got here. Now we can run. Okay. Everything should work. Okay. Yes. Final. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. I know I've tested that already, but it's still exciting to see it work. And now, here's the moment of truth. Auto walk up. Still need to fix the positioning there. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, moment of truth. Dang it! She moved over to it, but the Pokeball didn't disappear. Okay. Actually, hold on. Did I... These are all the same, aren't they? Oh, hold on. Rival starter. If rival starter is 1... like that. Oh no, this isn't gonna work though. This isn't going to work. Because if the rival starter is 2... If the player chooses Squirtle, then player starter is 3. That means the rival chooses Bulbasaur, so the rival starter is 1. Charmander's Pokeball should still be there, but that's 2. Oh, this is... Oh, this is gonna hurt my brain, isn't it? Getting this to work right is going to hurt my brain. Okay, hold on. Let me think about this for a second. So if the player chooses Bulbasaur, player's starter is 1. I'm not gonna have a rival battle inside of the lab here. Um, that's gonna be later. Yeah, no, there's not gonna be a rival battle at the beginning. It's gonna be. I don't know. It's gonna be one of the final. It's gonna be. I don't know if I'm actually. I'm. Hold on. Let me go back actually and look at the script that I had written out, because I feel like I remember writing down. I feel like I remember writing down that there isn't one, like, right off the bat. I might be wrong because I haven't actually looked at the storyline in a while, so I don't remember all of the details. I think this is it. Yeah, that's right. There is none. There is no early. There's no battle against Kyle or Daisy at the beginning. In fact, you don't battle. You don't battle Daisy at all. Until after the second gym. You battle Jackie in Barry White, but you don't battle Kyle or Daisy until after the second gym. I should maybe change that. But this is what I don't like, is that this is one or above. Why does it have to be or above? Why can't it just be if the choice is one? Hmm. Hold on. I've got an idea. If I open this up. I had this open earlier. That's just a self switch. Oh, but that's because this doesn't actually have the rival event in this version. That's right. I don't think so. But also I couldn't really implement anything except the Fababug line because all of them have like new moves and new abilities and stuff that I can't implement because don't know how to do that yet, and I was trying to do it, and then things were getting all weird and stuff, and then I just ended up everything got completely screwed up. Everything broke, and I had to replace the entire PBS folder and then re-implement the Pokemon again. That I know work, which is only the Fababug line. So I know Guardgeist doesn't have a stat sheet, though. I do remember that one not having it. And then there were some stat sheets for ones that didn't have art, then there was art for ones that didn't have stat sheets, and it was just... Oh my god, how do I... Okay. Y'all understand what I'm trying to do here, right? What I'm trying to do is make it so that when you choose your Pokemon, the Pokeball disappears because you've chosen it. Then the rival takes one of the starters, and that Pokeball disappears as well. So what happens... Because right now... This controls the self-switch on it. Choosing starter... Oh! Hold on. It's not struggling. The gears are turning. The gears are turning. I think I've got this figured out. I'm going to insert a conditional branch. Switch. Where is it? Choosing starter. Put that in there. Okay. Then... Wait. I have a variable for the... Wait, what variables do I have right now? Rival starter. Because if I can link it to the rival's choice, cancel that, hold on. Control switch choosing starter is on. This is where I need it. This is where I need it. Instead of this is where I put the controls for the rival event. So once I choose hold on. I'm trying to think of the best way to explain this. This right here, that doesn't have any sort of image or anything in it, is the auto event. So when I activate this, so this will activate once I've met the rival. This is why it makes me automatically walk forward as soon as I step into the lab and start this dialogue with Balsam. Right? And it turns on choosing starter. So then here, choosing starter is on, nothing happens. Then here, starter choice is 1 or above, meaning the player has chosen a starter. And then in here, this is where I then place the stuff take all of this and put that into the auto event here, so that once the starter choice has been made, then actually I can just delete this line. I don't need that. Then it activates Daisy's thing here, which basically does the same thing. Do I need 3 more? I think I need 3 more. No, because I can edit other events. I can edit other events within this event. So player chooses Bulbasaur. So here... Actually, is there a way? No, because I can set a move route. But I can't actually, like, switch. Switch the event pages. Erase event? No. Because that doesn't let me edit a different event. Rival starter 1 or above. No. I think I have... Yeah. I think I have to have 3... I have to have 3 more variables here. And they cannot be variables, they have to be switches. Wait. I'm starting to confuse myself. Hold on. Self-switch A is on, meaning the Pokeball disappears. Variable starter choice is 1. This page... Okay, wait, if I put in a conditional here... Okay, I have a good way to do this, actually. instead of a self switch. We're going to we're going to create new variables here. Bulbasaur chosen, Charmander chosen, and Squirtle chosen. Those needed to be switches, not variables. Okay, so delete those. Bulbasaur chosen. Charmander chosen. And Squirtle chosen. If switch Bulbasaur chosen is on, and here control switches, switch Bulbasaur chosen is on. Okay, yeah, starter choice is 1 or above. For that, Bulbasaur chosen is on for this. Oh my god. And now, in the auto event, here, control variable, that's not a variable. I need not a self switch. Control switch. Charmander chosen is on. Okay. Show text. You chose Charmander. And then our move route needs to be to Squirtle. So it's going to be exactly this with an extra move right. Can actually delete this page. Gonna delete this page for now as well. That's not what I wanted. Like this. Okay. But here... Wait, so this move route is over, over, up. Wait, up, up? What? Oh. No. That... None. Okay. Here we go. Now I've got this. So she is here, right, right. This cannot be right, right, up. Up, she only needs to move up once. I choose Charmander, starter 2. Okay. Here, right, right, right. I only need one up. Control variable. Rival starter equals 2. No. Not 2. 3. Control switch. Squirtle chosen is on. And now she only needs to move right one time. Rival starter is going to be 1. That needs to be Bulbasaur chosen. Bulbasaur chosen equals on. This needs to be control switch, not, yeah, switch. Squirtle chosen is on. That needs to be 3. Okay, this needs to be 2. This becomes switch Charmander chosen. Seems to be Charmander. Okay. Okay. I think I have this all fully working now. Moment of truth. Okay, let's test everything to make sure it all works. We go in, nothing happens. There's a Pokeball here. There's a Pokeball here. There's a Pokeball here. Welcome to my lab. Okay. So far, so good. I know we've tested this before, but so far, so good. Okay. Okay. Oh, it almost worked. It almost worked. Okay, the ball did not disappear, but I'm gonna try something. I'm making the last page hold on. It's not what I wanted. This. Parallel, if I switch page 4 on all of these, to parallel process, maybe? No, not that. I know it's loud. I did not want to deal with that because I just have to. I'm trying to just get through this quickly right now. I know. I just said that. Okay. I know that was loud. I know that was loud. I just didn't want to deal with it. I was just trying to test it really quickly, so I did not bother turning the volume down. But yeah, that's really good to know. Parallel process. Just have to make it, how do you get the Pokedex? There's just a script for it. You just give the player the script. I don't actually have that set up, but see, script player dot has Pokedex equals true. Oh. Balsam is going to give it. Balsam gives the Pokedex. Just when you get your starter. In fact, I can probably just go ahead and add that in right now. Actually, let me... I'm gonna add some more... Add a little bit more dialogue here as well. Not that. Okay. Not you. You. Control self switch A equals on. I could just put it here, actually. So I don't want to use my self switch A yet. I don't think. Actually, yeah. I'll just insert text here. So then we insert script. No. Actually, how do you add how do you play a script, regular script like that? Mm. I mean, it says script here, but that just gives me a blank thing. How do you actually, like... I have not learned how to do this yet. How do you add a script? I guess it's just like that. Okay. I guess I get it. Nope. Do I just... do that? I guess. insert what am I looking for? Set move route. EV008. Is that my rival event? Yes, it is. I'll just name it rival. Move out of rival. Turn toward player. I want to do like a rotten egg kind of thing here. Like but I don't know, but I want to make it like ooh, Hatchill. You know, like the little things like last one home is a rotten egg kind of thing, but I want to do something like that, but like with using the name of a Pokemon from the region. There's is a what could be a good I want to do it using but like with one of the Pokemon from the region, but I don't know what. No, I want to do like with something with a Pokemon, not like a berry. But I don't know what a good Pokemon to do it with would be. Hatchill would something about Hatchill would be funny. But I don't know. I don't know. I like that. It could be last one done is a grounded Breezeek or something. I don't know. That, I don't know what a good one would be. I'm just gonna skip that. Ooh, okay. I'm just gonna do that for now. And then if the player is standing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could move them down 7. Set move route for the rival. Turn down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? Play BGS? Why is there nothing here? Huh? Oh, because it's a sound effect, not a... That makes sense. Am I gonna need to create yet another thing here? Starter is chosen. It's turned on. New event page. Switch. Starters chosen. Is on. Okay. This is the final thing that we're doing today, is testing this. So I'm gonna test absolutely everything. Don't have that map built. Okay, I don't need that guy there. That's what I still need to fix, is the position of that. Okay. Gonna do a few things really quick. Gonna do that. And there was something else I was going to do. I forget. Oh well. Not debug. Okay, so we test... Oh, I was gonna delete that guy. Oh well, that's fine. Okay. Right, I need to delete that guy. Okay. Okay, this event needs to get fixed. It says size 1/6. Oh, player touch. It needs to be event touch. I'm not going to be adding any more today. I'm just debugging. And then I gotta call it a night, because I'm on dog duty, and I'm gonna have to get up in the morning because of that, which is annoying. Okay, we know things work, so we're just gonna run through here, grab this as fast as possible. Okay. What? Oh, Oh, jeez. I soft locked. How did I soft lock there? It's supposed to be size of 6. Why is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Why is this tile not... Why is that tile not activating? Volume. I don't understand why that tile is not activating. Watching in chat for anybody who is playing Pokemon Community Game. Oh, hold on. Why is it... It didn't do the regular loading everything when I booted it up. What? Huh? It's just saying... It's not compiling anything. Is that because there's nothing to change? Hold on. If I delete this guy, save the changes, it didn't compile stuff. Why didn't it compile stuff? Oh, actually, this is gonna get a little weird, because I didn't do the gender swap on the rival inside of the lab, so it's just gonna be 2 of Daisy. Not actually Daisy. But... I also didn't change his dialogue. But... Okay, if I... Yeah, why is this not triggering? It's supposed to be sight, not size. Oh, actually, that's not gonna work right, is it? But this should. Okay. Yeah, something is weird where this is not compiling correctly. Because the event is not there at all. Okay, I'm just gonna close out of it and reopen it. It still didn't compile anything. But I guess I didn't edit any metadata. Okay. Why is that? Okay, there's something weird going on. Hi, Thunder. Welcome in. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Sonata. I am a family-friendly streamer. I do a lot of music. I also I'm currently making a Pokemon game. Thunder, how was your stream? What were you doing? Actually, I think you were doing Splatoon, I think I saw? Is that correct? Hope that went well. Um, I am right now just doing a little bit of debugging on an event. This amazing thing that I am working on is my own Pokemon fan game. I am making my own fan game fully from scratch. I'm just having a little bit of trouble here. Subtle Pup, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Sonata Squad. I'm having a little bit of trouble with this event giving me some issues in that it keeps wanting me to... It keeps, like, putting me into a soft locking loop. But for now, let's boot this up. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to go ahead and turn down the volume so that we don't blast y'all's ears out. New game. It's not giving the full intro right now because I just have this set. So here is the player's bedroom that you start in. And this is honestly my favorite part of this, is that you can walk behind the TV and, like, in between the TV and the stairs. That is unironically one of my favorite parts of the entire thing right now. So let's just talk to you. So now we can run around. So, Kyle's house. Kyle is the default name for the player. Rival's house. The rival is actually Daisy. There is a day-night cycle built in, but it's really weird. I'll show you in a bit. I'll show you in a minute. But first thing I have to do is come here. She says Daisy is upstairs. Let's talk to Daisy. Go pick a starter. Professor's also going to give a Pokedex. She disappears. Awesome. You're still gonna stop me. Nutriton, the town of new beginnings. Professor Balsam's lab. It automatically makes me walk forward. Hi Kyle, I'm glad you can make it. Take your pick. I don't want to walk that way because walking this way will trigger the event that puts me into an infinite loop because it's broken and I don't know why it's broken. Go ahead, you pick first. You say go ahead, take your pick. I have not edited that text yet, which is why it's blue and says oak instead of balsam. And now this is the moment of truth. This is the thing that I just did, and I'm hoping this works. So if I choose Bulbasaur, it disappears. Daisy says you chose Bulbasaur. Then I choose Charmander. Yes! And I'm in an infinite loop. And it almost works. It almost works. Okay. Okay. Why? Okay, what? Why was that weird? Okay, she turns towards me. Neither. This is not a ROM at all. This is actually using RPG Maker. And there's a built-in thing, or not built-in, it's a special thing called Pokemon Essentials. And so that itself fully implements the battle system, the movement, how all of the like regular Pokemon stuff works, so that I don't have to deal with doing any of that. So it's just like essentially just building maps and doing the eventing and stuff like that. This game is going to have a fully unique Pokedex, so I have to do all of the work for that as well, creating the new Pokemon, editing all of the data for all of that. But yeah, all of the like mechanics and stuff are done for me thanks to Pokemon Essentials. Okay, move route of rival. So why did she just disappear? Okay, hold on. I think I might know. Might know why. Insert weight. Hold on. I think there's a wait for movement completion. Okay. Theoretically, she will actually follow her proper movement now instead of just randomly disappearing. Theoretically. And we're just gonna speed through this. Okay. So far, so good. I choose Bulbasaur. Okay, so it played through the dialogue twice, and I am stuck. Huh. Control self switch A is on. If I add that, because I already had the self switch page. Oops. Okay, she leaves, quote unquote, because we know how the events actually work. So this time I'm gonna choose Charmander, and she should walk over and choose Squirtle. Yes. And she's disappeared. Okay, that is awesome. This is so close. We are so close. All we need to do now is take this and move it here so that it plays the sound of the door exit after she has moved off the screen. And turn down the volume so we don't blast our ears out. This is just a special little quick intro that I did as well. So that we don't have to sit through the entire, like, hi, I'm the professor, welcome to the world of Pokemon, so that we don't have to sit through that every single time. I can easily go back and turn that on whenever, but for testing purposes, it helps to not have to do that. Okay, and now I'm gonna test this starter. She should choose the first one. Yes! Yes! And now this should say it's Charmander's Pokeball, because we've discovered the starters. And I don't... And he'll say great choice now. And if I go back and go back in, everything is as I left it. Yes! Okay. And now he should let me past, now that I have a starter. And we are on Route 1. I don't have any encounters. Oh yes I do, I have a Fababug encounter set up. The positioning is kind of off, but this is Fababug, which is one of our new Pokemon that we're doing. Why is this giving me a question mark for the back sprite of Squirtle? I don't know why that's giving me a question mark. It does this weird lighting thing. I also need to fix the alignment of the trees, apparently. So let's go ahead and do that. Information editors, map connections. I can take this, drag it like that. There we go. Now the trees are aligned. I don't know why it's suddenly going from day to night as I switch between these. I don't understand. But then this is the second town. So this is Berry White. I haven't really done anything with this except for actually building it up. It should not say Berry White Town, that should just say Berry White. I'm gonna need to fix that. I also don't have these houses able to be gone in either. Oh, I love this design too. I got super lucky. Because I recently found a fantastic resource for the building sprites and stuff. I, for the most part, I am not making, like, building tiles myself. I have done a few. I did the little Switch model here. I did the monitors. But for the most part, I am not doing custom stuff. But I found an absolutely amazing thing. Not that. Where is it? Base files. No. Is it on the drive? No, it shouldn't be on the drive. Games, Flickr, base tile sets. That's where I put it. That's because I'm attempting to put that into RPG Maker instead of Sprite. Let's get Sprite booted up here. Oops, not there. Not that. Mouse, you gonna cooperate? Drag this over here. I found this. Now, I'm not using everything from here. For example, you'll notice that these are different trees. That's because I'm actually using Generation 5 style trees. I also don't use the grass that's on here and stuff. But I am using this set of water for it. I'm going to end up using the lava and the swamp stuff as well. I'm using all of these kinds of rocks from this. What I found very exciting about this was how many different kinds of, like, buildings and stuff there are. So here's that Pokemon Center and stuff. Buildings in a whole bunch of different styles and different colors for different houses that I'll be able to use for a bunch of different towns. You can see these are the ones that I'm using in Nutriton. Here's the Berry White town houses there. This is what I'm gonna be using for the gyms, stuff like that. Thank you. Good to see you. Yeah. So that is what I'm using to build tile sets, at least outdoor tile sets. Right now, I am using some different stuff. You can see I'm using this grass stuff and water, and then this is like a Gen 5 style tree. I'm also doing Gen 5 style interiors with Gen 4 outsides, which is an interesting combination, but I think it actually works decently well. The way I'm combining it, given that I do have these Gen 5 trees, it helps tie it together a little more as well. Yeah. So I am very excited. I managed to get all of that event stuff working today. I had the inside of the rival's house working. But other than that, I got all those other event stuff figured out and working today. So I am very happy with that. But that is where I'm going to end for today, for the second stream today, since I spent so much time working on this. I have streamed, like, I want to say I've streamed for a total of like 8 hours today. I don't know. How long was my first stream? Wasn't it like, it was a while. It was like 3-4 hours, maybe 4.5 hours-ish, and now I've done another 3. So, yes, for anybody who is not, thank you, Robo Sonata. There is a link to the Discord for anybody who does want to join. And yeah, let's switch back over to here. Thank you all so much for stopping by. And let's figure out who we're gonna raid. Let's see if there is anybody to raid, given how late it has gotten. And I know a lot of people are not usually on around this time. Oh, we actually do have a few people on. Okay. Let's see. Let's... Ooh. Let's go raid Izzy. So... Here's our raid message. There's our raid message. And we're gonna go say hi to Izzy. And I will see you soon. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow? We'll see. Yeah. That's all I've got for today. So I will see you soon. Bye.